BITS Pilani started in the year 1964 and we are completing our Golden Jubilee. I am very happy that our alumni are conducting their second BITSA Global Meet in this campus during the Golden Jubilee year. During this Golden Jubilee year, we are arranging many events. Prominent speakers from US, from Harvard University, from University of Berkeley, and various other places, they are going to deliver lectures, and we are going to organize several events during the entire year, starting from June 2013 up to June 2014. And this event also is a part of our Golden Jubilee celebration. Going forward in BITS Pilani, we are now going to inaugurate a new facility with an investment of 200 crore in the month of February. And another thing that we want to do during this Golden Jubilee year is the inauguration of this entire campus, the dedication of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus to the nation, and inauguration of our state-of-the-art auditorium with a capacity of 2,550 seats with 1.5 lakh square feet area, which is the biggest in the state of Andhra Pradesh, for that matter, which is the largest in the higher education sector in India. Distinctive features, the differentiating features of BITS Pilani is the engineering practice, practicing your education. Every student of BITS Pilani, be it engineering, be it science, or be it humanities, they are required to practice their profession like medical students. So that is a main differentiator between other engineering institutions and BITS Pilani. And BITS Pilani follows modern curriculum, which is updated continuously. Facilities wise, we have got very good laboratory facilities, which is comparable to many top class institutions, and going forward we are going to invest quite heavily in improving our laboratory infrastructure, in our faculty development. In the past 2-3 years, BITS Pilani has taken a big turn towards research, and we have increased our number of research projects. We have got good number of research projects, sponsored research projects. We have admitted almost double the number of PhD students than what it used to be 3 years ago. And we have been putting a lot of emphasis on research and entrepreneurship. As a result, recently we have created a technology business incubator in this campus with a support of 5 crore DST grant. And already 6 incubatees have been admitted to our incubator. Moreover, many students in our hostel rooms have started translating their ideas into companies. Even before graduation, they have established companies in the high-tech city, employing their seniors who have graduated from this campus.